Let's add up the big numbers. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic: adding large numbers in English. Whether you're in a shopping mall, working on a math problem, or just want to impress your friends, knowing how to add and pronounce large numbers can be a very useful skill. So, let's get started. Before we start adding large numbers, let's make sure we know how to say them. We'll start from hundreds, 100, and go all the way up to millions, 1 million. Here's how it goes: hundreds, 100, thousands, 1,000, 10,000s, 10,000, 100,000s, 100,000, millions, 1 million. Remember, for numbers between these, we simply say the number as it is. For example, 200,000 is 200,000 and 1,500,000 is 1,500,000. Alright, now that we know how to say large numbers, let's learn how to add them together. The process is really straightforward, just like adding smaller numbers. 1. Write the numbers vertically. Make sure to line up the numbers correctly by their place value. If you're adding 500,000, 500,000, and 300,000, 300,000, you write it like this: 500,000 plus 300,000. Add each column starting from the right. Start with the rightmost column, the ones place, and work your way to the left. In our example, 500,000 plus 300,000, 800,000, so 500,000 plus 300,000 equals 800,000, or 800,000. Now let's practice with a few examples. 1. Adding millions. 2 million, 2 million, plus 3 million, 3 million, dash 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 dot. 5 million, 5 million, adding thousands and hundreds. 45,000, 45,000, plus 12,300, 12,300, dash 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 dot. 57,300, 57,300. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing adding large numbers until you're comfortable with it. And there you have it. We've learned how to add large numbers in English. Adding these numbers might seem daunting at first, but with some practice, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. We hope this video was helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning video. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.